Hello there, how are you, my special co-creators? I am starting a group. It is called the 30-Day Transformation Lifestyle Group, which is here, the 30-Day Transform Your Life group. And it's going to be starting on November 14th, which is Thursday, November 13th, 2013. And November 14th, 2013, and it's going straight through to December the roughly 16th, 2013. So if you'd like to join the 30-Day Transform Your Life group, okay? And I will, what you can do there on the group is you can share some of the things that you want to change. And it could be your skincare routine. It could be some wellness issues that you want to look after. It could be cleaning, organizing. It could be moving. It could be relationships, spirituality, prosperity, of course, prosperity. How your spiritual principles and how that's going. Journaling. You can blog. You can share videos. Something about holistic and wellness, looking good, feeling good, transforming in even just small things. But it's going to make a big difference. So knowing that we are together, we're not alone, I would love to have you join the 30-day transformation. Transform your life in 30 days, okay? So this group is called the 30-Day Transform Your Life group. Mind, body, spirit, prosperity, and we're here to support you. So feel free to sign up and join. Again, it starts this Thursday, November 14th at 2013. Okay, see you there. Bye.